and
Morning here. It was great making a contact with you, and I'll say 73 from Kilo Zero, Lima Tango Lima.
all right, K0LTL, KE8WLW 73, and thanks for picking up my call.
Not a problem. Have a great day today.
Roger, 73. Frequency is in use. This is KE8WLW. But I will make contact with you. King Edward Inn, W.
Well, I appreciate that very much. Thank you, John. John. That was the last time. Thank you, Dave. Sometimes you get so wrapped up in this, your brain's ahead of your tongue. Anyhow, we appreciate you stopping by and adding to the contact list today, and hope to work you again sometime.
Likewise, here. Well, you take care and good luck again, and we'll talk to you soon. W4W from W8DEO 73.
73 Dave. This is Whiskey 4 Whiskey. W4W special event. Yours it.
Kilo Zero, Lima Tango Lima.
Kilo Zero, Lima Tango Lima. Looks like, oh boy, can't quite see it. Matter of fact, I think I worked yesterday. The call sounds familiar. In New Prague, Minnesota. Yeah, my name is Chuck, and we are located in Dallas, Georgia. We got a 5.9 signal again. Doing a real fine job down here. Go ahead. Did I lose you someplace? Yep, I think I lost you. Okay, this is Whiskey 4 Whiskey, W4W.
Papa Alpha.
Whiskey 8 Papa Alpha. Is that it? Go ahead.
That is correct. QSL. Papa Alpha. The name here is Greg. So we're about a 5.3 into Cleveland, Ohio. As you were talking to the last guy, the band took a dump. So that's what happened there.
Okay, very good, Greg. You're 5'9" here right now. When you called, you were about a 5'3", but you're peaking 5'9" at the moment. Band's up and down. It's been that way about an hour and a half now. Go ahead.
Okay, real good, yeah. Celebrating Mr. Westinghouse. Good job. You have a great day down there in Georgia. It's sunny and about 25 degrees up here in Cleveland.
Well, it was like that yesterday. Now it's overcast and about high 40s or maybe low 50s out there. I haven't looked at it here recently, but expecting rain and all that good stuff. Hopefully we'll go the other way later in the week. Thanks for stopping by and also checking the website. Appreciate you doing that. You have a great day up there.
Okay, have a good day and 73s from WACA.
73. This is Whiskey 4 Whiskey, W4W, special event station. CQ.
Golf calling Tiki Parks on the air. Tiki Parks on the air, Whiskey 6, Papa Uniform Golf, calling Tiki Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5, Uniform at Charlie Oscar, QRP.
Tiki Parks on the air, Whiskey 6, Papa Uniform Golf, calling Tiki Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Tiki Parks on the air, Whiskey 6,
He's not hearing me on 10-1.
Those reviews, but for me, listening to the ATAS on the air, boy, thumbs up for me, boy. And here again, this band is pretty QSB on a couple of stations I was working before you, and you're just sitting, you're just killing it at S9, man. You just sound great on that radio. Over.
Some other bands. Whiskey Alpha 5, United Hotel X-Ray, November 1, Whiskey Mike November. Thank you. Super faster than the hobby. Do you play FT8?
And with Top Block to take up to 53.
Kilo Quebec 4. Station Kilo Quebec 4, Kilo Quebec 4.
That's some power right there.
This is Alpha Echo 6 Charlie Juliet calling CQ and standing by.
Doesn't seem like a QRP day on 10 meters.
Right beside my property, and I did not want to be transmitting.
Let's go up to the FM portion, see what's going on out there. Not much, it would appear. Kilo India 5 uniform at Charlie Oscar 29600. KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5 uniform at Charlie Oscar. Doesn't seem like it's gonna be very fruitful. Wonder, was it over here? Maybe it's 580. Huh. Kilo India 5 uniform at Charlie Oscar 29600. This is KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5 uniform at Charlie Oscar. Yeah, sideband signal. Kilo India 5 uniform at Charlie Oscar KI5 UCO 29600. I have to break out the 100 watts on this bad boy. what a repeater's doing on there. Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar, 29600. This is KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar. Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar, KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar, 29600. Man might not be in good enough shape for FM. They waited too long. Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar, KI5 UCO, 29600 FM. This is Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar. Calling CQ and standing by. Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar, 29600. KI5 UCO, Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar, 29600. Kilo India 5, uniform Charlie Oscar, KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar, 29600, and standing by. FM just ain't gonna cut it. Go over the sideband.
This is Papa Yankee 1, Juliet Delta X-ray. Hello, 10. CQ 10. This is Papa Yankee 1, Juliet Delta X-ray. Papa Yellow 1, Juliet Delta X-ray calling CQ and standing by.
Kilo India 5, uniform at Charlie Oscar.
November Sierra, station November Sierra again, please. Roger. November Sierra Fox, November Sierra 4 Foxtrot. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Reginald. Roger, okay. My name is Paul. I'm in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Your signal I give you on the next over, okay? Give him my report, please. How will copy me? November Sierra 4 Foxtrot, Papa Yellow 1, Juliet Delta X-ray. Okay, Roger. Your signal is about the same. Some QS Baker, deep QS Baker. but I still good, had good copy of you. I give you a 5-7 as well, okay? 5-7 for you. Thank you very much for the contact. November Sierra 4, Foxtrot. Papa Yankee 1, Juliet Delta X-Ray, Paulo in Rio de Janeiro.
Come on, VFO. It decides when it wants to work. That's why I don't generally use it. Well, I like to stream amateur radio, I sure do. If I can get my stupid VFO to work. Maybe we gambled and got him in there. Got a 735. Well, I'm having a problem with this VFO encoder. It is not very responsive, and I've cleaned it and checked the solder joints and all kinds of stuff, and it's mechanically. Ah, we missed it again. It's mechanically turning. It's just not electrically turning. Oh, come on. There it went. Now it just turned way too far. Yeah, did you have the problem where you have the black portions in the screen?
Okay, I think this is Kilo Charlie 1, Quebec Delta Zulu. QRT on 10, QSY to 15 in just a second. Kilo Charlie 1, Quebec Delta Zulu.
Yeah, they were known for that. If I can find it, I have the coveted cover for this bad boy, but I took it off so I wouldn't lose it. But I don't know where it is, so I guess I still lost it. But I actually do have the cover for it. Yours has the cover? Well, fantastic. That makes it worth like 10 times more. Everybody's always looking for those covers. Might have to sacrifice some audio quality here. I'm going to switch microphones to the one with the buttons on the top. I normally use a boom mic on this, but I only use it on 80 and 160 meters, and you know that you kind of just go where they need you, more or less, you know. Set frequency type things. I'm not scrolling around the band on 80. The matching power supply, the tuner, and the mic. Man. I've got a Chinese clone of the mic on this one for $100. Gosh dang. Well, now we can scroll through the band. We've got the buttons on the microphone. I need to fix this encoder, but I think it just needs replaced because I've tried everything I know to do. There's no capacitors that obviously need changed or anything. And the solder joints are good. I reflowed them. Yeah, I hear the 991A. That's a fantastic radio. I've got a buddy who has one. But hey, these oldies are pretty good too, but they're finicky. At least this one is. Shack in a box, yes sir. This one is basically my HF shack in the box. This one is Mars modded. I did not do it myself, but it was convenient because now it'll transmit on 630 meters as well. And I guess CB, if you cared about that. And the AM broadcast band, it'll transmit there.
Noise level here all the time, but I use a receiving loop, a 40-meter ground-mounted receiving loop to knock out the noise and pick up the signals. Over.
Still might be slightly off frequency. I know this radio.
It's fed with 450 ohm window line, very inexpensive antenna to make.
So in the shack, from a good roller inductor tuner, I come out the back and go right into a one-to-one. At the moment, it's a one-to-one balance.
This one is 0.2 off frequency as well.
They both work because I'm
then I just haven't bothered to fix.
Right off the bat, a couple feet of coax to a one-to-one balance, and then about maybe 100 feet of 450 ohm window line up to the antenna that's 50 feet in the air. It's basically a dipole. The doublet is known for using the 450 ohm window line. Turns it into an all-band antenna. Over.
Anything's an all-band antenna if you're brave enough. I had a 750-foot Delta loop that worked wonderfully. And I tore it down in favor of an inverted L for 630 meters so I could get active on that band.
Yeah, so it's a vertical, right?
I kind of regret it.
Yeah, so
the Delta loop was way
really
better.
On the radio field, you know, the more radios you put out there, I don't think the lengths are critical, overly critical, but the more wire you have for your radios, the better the antenna works. So I haven't used verticals yet. Absolutely no experience with verticals. Over.
It's critical if the radials are elevated. If they're on the ground, then no. I like to put my radials the length of my vertical radiator. So if it's only 30 feet, then I only use 30 feet of radial. I just use a bunch of them.
William, I'm sorry. Very, very good. You got to put out plenty of radials with that vertical. So you have the art for it.
Well, there you go with the Step IR. You'll be the biggest signal on the band.
Well, you're all set. Get it out there, my friend. Get it out there. Vertical antennas are very popular. I believe they're good DX antennas. I believe they have a low angle of radiation.
Yeah, I hear that.
So good for skipping off those layers. Over.
I hear the waiting on the summer. But you know, if you put it up in the winter, you'll gain 3 dB just because it's put up in the cold. That's just, that's how it works.
The more antennas in your yard, the better. It's really nice to keep both of your antennas and then be able to switch back and forth. You might find that the vertical antenna is very noisy, picking up man-made noise, and maybe the quad is much quieter. If it's a loop, then it's very, very quiet, and you may find you like the characteristics of both, and that's what I do. I switch back and forth between my doublet and the receiving loop, just for that reason. Over.
I'm on a vertical right now. It's a half wave at this band. There's horizontal, and there's an inverted L.
Yeah, this is N1WMN with Kilo India 5 Zulu Delta Delta.
Apparently my inverted L is pointed towards him.
Maybe we should clarify that, huh? But anyway, get yourself...
Well, thank you for the subscription. Good luck at the store.
MFJ 259. You can
Thanks
throw
for
it on
stopping
there.
by.
It's great for testing your SWR, especially if you're going to fool around with antennas. So that's the MFJ 259. You can buy them used for $7.75. They're a great little antenna analyzer. And there's other devices as well, like rig blasters.
See what's going on down here. Oh, come on. You can do it. There we go. Close enough. Whoop. About knocked you over.
X-ray. November Victor 7 Delta X-ray from Clayton, North Carolina. 59 plus.
Roger, thank you. K9DJ at the 38X. You're operating remote in Washington State near Spokane. And my name is Mark, and your report is 5-7 in Washington. Over. Real good. Thanks so much. And I hope you have fun operating out there. 7-3, have fun. Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf, QRZ.
Was it November 2?
November 2, Romeo.
Okay, we got November 2, Romeo Zulu. I think I'm still missing one. Give it to me again. Thank you. I'm sorry, the noise level is just ferocious when I turn up the volume. I've got November 2 Radio Zanzibar, and that's certain if I'm missing one on the amp.
November 2, Romeo Zulu.
Okay, there's two Zanzibars. Is that Mark in New York? Yeah, it's not your signal, Mark. There's a noise level here. I'm sorry. Your signal's fine. I got you about a 5-3 in Wisconsin, QSL.
QSL, same here. About a 5-3.
Well, thanks for having patience with me. Have a wonderful day. 7-3. Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf, QRZ.
November 7, Foxtrot, Quebec Tango.
Whiskey 4, Romeo X-ray Kilo. November 7, Foxtrot, Quebec Tango. Robert.
You're about a 5-6 here in North Texas. Over.
Okay, 5-9 Wisconsin, sounding good. Thanks for running. Good to hear you. 7-3.
Thanks for activating November 7. Finally quit talking.
Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf, QRZ. CQ Parks on the air. Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf calling. CQ Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5, Uniform and Charlie Oscar.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Sean in Arkansas, 5-9 plus, Wisconsin.
Roger, Roger. I've got you 5-9 plus out here in Arkansas. Sounding good.
Well, thanks so much, Sean, for taking the time to hunt me, and have a great day. 7-3.
7-3, thank you. Good luck.
Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf, QRZ.
I'll have to write that down. Kilo 9
I heard a November call.
Delta something.
November 1, is it Delta Lima Kilo?
9, what time is it?
Okay, that looks like Delta Julia Lima. Is that Lee in Vermont?
1:37.
Okay, Lee, I got you about a 5-4, and I got a high noise level. The problem's on this end. 5-4, Wisconsin. Certain, I have two parks, US 9773, 9773, and US 4250, 4250. Okay, thanks for having patience with me. 7-3, Kilo 9 Delta, November 4, Romeo Delta, Juliet. Zulu Uniform Alpha. Was there November 4, Romeo Delta, Juliet? QSL 959, Alabama. Okay, Roger, you are 59, Wisconsin. Thanks so much. Have a great day. 7-3, 7-3. Kilo Charlie 4, Zulu Uniform.
Everybody jumping in there now. Let's see. I'm getting old, I can't read that from here. 350. It's a little close to the band edge. Give this a try. On a normal dial, that'll be 13,346. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar, KI5 UCO. I hope that's not too close to the band edge. Let me try to calculate that out. 403, 05, 5. I might be 1 kilohertz too high to be on the band's edge. Let's check it with this bad boy. I don't want to be out of band. That would just be horrible. 346. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. I may move down 1 kilohertz just to be safe. So that's 345. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. Is the frequency in use? Here's some QRM. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. Is the frequency in use? Hello, hello. Nice to see you in the daytime. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? This is Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. KI5 UCO. Is the frequency in use?
2 down, you're killing me.
Oh, Roger, sorry about that. I got yelled at. Let's find somewhere else.
Okay. Florida, great signal. And I appreciate you checking in with us.
They probably thought I was running an amplifier. The area seems pretty quiet. We'll give her a listen for a minute. There's some QRM in there. This one doesn't. I hear tell you can clip a blue wire in there if you wanted to, but I'd rather just keep them on the ham bands. I was worried about being that close to the band edge, though. But considering, upper sideband and all. Does it receive? No, it doesn't receive outside the ham band. Which that part's unfortunate. Alright, so this is 14327. Let's see. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. Yeah, if it doesn't have a receiver for it, you can't hear it. Aha, I knew somebody would pop up. You can't call CQ on 20 meters very easily. See what he's doing. He's not there either. Maybe he was at. Where is he at?
Thank you for the activation, 7-3. Good luck. 7-3. You are good.
Kilo, Charlie 3.
November, Mike 5, Sierra Papa.
Kilo, Charlie 3, Papa. India, Bravo, plus the point.
Kilo, Charlie 3, Papa, India, Bravo. I think it is.
You're about a 5-3 here. 5-3. US 12123.
Thank you very much. It's a 5-3. I have you 5757 into US 0050. Postal Sam number 50.
Roger that. No, you just came up. You're 5-5. Thanks for that part. Very cool. And stand by for Lisa.
Thank you so much.
This is Kilo 1 West Lima, and you're 5 and 5 here.
Oh man, that
123.
Kilo 9 guy, I didn't write down his frequency.
US 0050. Thanks for being out there, guys. 7-3. Good luck.
Have fun out there. 7-3. QRZ.
Whiskey Bravo 5 November.
Woo! Jump on it. Good old 20 meter.
QSL, you're a good 5-9 plus also. 73, good luck and have fun. Thank you.
Oh my golly, thank you so much. 73, Georgia.
Radio Echo America.
Any Oscar? Oh, I got two of you. November 9, India Lima Oscar, 5-9, over.
It's India Papa Oscar.
Okay, give me that call again. India Papa Oscar, over.
QSO.
All right, November 9, India Papa Oscar, 5-9, over.
Get you 5-9 into East North Carolina. Thanks for the contact. 7-3. Have you
Hey, thank you, Robert. 7-3. Okay, the other ending, Oscar?
What year did I get that radio? Last year.
Gotcha. Kilo X-ray 4, Lima Echo Oscar, 5-9 as well here at 12056, over.
Thank you for activating.
Hey, thank you, buddy. 73, Georgia.
November 5, Mike Charlie Yankee.
Charlie Fox Echo. Inning Echo.
Kilo Delta 2, Victor Sierra Echo.
Oh, I know I heard. Inning Echo. Inning Echo? Okay, nothing heard. QRZ?
No, I definitely didn't buy it new.
America.
The Kilo 5.
That was a ways away from even when I was born. I wasn't born till 1999. This thing's probably...
Right now, 5-9.
What year did this thing come out?
056, over. Okay, 4621, 4621, QSL? Hey, thank you, 7-3, good luck there. Okay, station inning with America.
Kilowatt Delta 9 Radio Echo America.
All right, I got you. Kilo Delta 9 Romeo Echo Alpha. Got you, Dean. You're 5-9 here at 12056, over.
Roger the 5-9. I have you about 5-7 here in Chicago, Illinois this afternoon, over.
Hey, thank you for helping for Chicago today, sir. Have a great day there. 7-3.
7-3.
ABATS, Georgia.
November 5, Mike Charlie Yankee.
X-ray.
Inning X-ray.
Thank you. Whiskey Delta 5, Golf November X-ray.
Whiskey Delta 5 Golf November X-ray. Got you, Gregory. 5-9 here at 12056, over.
That's good to hear you again. 5-9 return, Golf Alpha. Thank you for a new one.
Thank you, sir. 73, Georgia.
I missed his call again.
Mike Charlie Yankee.
Kilo Quebec 4, Charlie Quebec Alpha, I believe. James, if that's you, 5-9, over.
Roger, Reed. 5-7, Florida, Fox Lima.
Got you. Thank you, sir. 73.
7-3.
ABATS, Georgia.
ABA.
November 5, Mike Charlie Yankee.
AS, maybe?
Whiskey 1, Golf November Kilowatt.
Whiskey 1, Golf November Kilo, David. No, I'm sorry, James. James in Connecticut. 5-9, over.
Okay, you're 5-7, Charlie Tango. Thank you.
Thanks, 73, Georgia.
November 5, Mike Charlie Yankee.
The mobile station, please.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon from 84 Zulu Echo, in Central Florida, region 5858. And I have your information, sir. Over. Hey, very good, sir, very good. Thank you, Victor. Kilo 4 Zulu, Echo, in the mobile. Tell you what, you're 59 plus 10, great audio. Hey, listen, thanks for helping. Be safe in the mobile there, buddy. 73. 73. ABHAS, QR, that's
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Indy Oscar, I believe.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo Indy 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar, Sean, 59 here at 12056, over.
Roger, roger. I've got you 5959 Alpha Romeo.
Oh, cool. Thanks for Arkansas, 73.
73.
ABHAS, QR, that's Whiskey 5.
Yeah, we broke through the pile of 152.
Kilo, 59 plus John here at 12056, over. 59 into Georgia this afternoon. Thanks for the park. Hey, thank you. 73, Georgia.
See if we can find another one.
You got a copy on Whiskey 0 Kilo Tango?
Wow, can I see you 5'9" into Western Kentucky, Pittsburgh? Go ahead.
You were also assuming 5'9" into my park. Yes, 066.
I got you at US 0663. And you sounding great into the park here. And park US 1260. Check out.
QSL, thank you very much for your activation today. It's 73.
73. 2260 parks on the air.
What was your call, though? What's your call?
See, that was kind of a thunder roll. We'll try it again. Parks on the air, calling 68.
What's your call, sir?
November, Whiskey 8, X-ray November. November, Whiskey 8, X-ray November. Thank you so much for your patience on that. I'm not sure I still have it right. November, Whiskey 8, X-ray November. Is that right? Whiskey 8, X-ray November, Roger? All right, Bruce, we got it now, buddy. Thank you for your help. 5-7 into the park here in Kentucky. Yes, sir?
QSL, thank you. You were 5 and 6 here in Michigan. The band is kind of up and down. Over.
Yeah, it's somebody be giving you a call sign and all of a sudden half of it will go away.
Well,
As far as being able to hear it. But
we can do it.
I know most everybody understands that. And appreciate it. 73 and good luck.
73, thanks for the activation and good luck to you. Over.
Roger that, buddy. 73.
Kilo, Quebec 4, Yankee, Quebec Alpha.
Kilo, Quebec 4, Yankee, Quebec Alpha.
QSL, we got you 5-8 in the middle.
2-8-7. Hello there, Mayberry. Harvey, my goodness, it's sounding great there in Western Kentucky. Yes, Al?
QSL, you sounded good here. Where was my signal smell for you?
There you go. Thank you so much, buddy. 73.
And well, some signal reports.
Oh, you're 5'9".
Oh, QSL 5'9". Appreciate you. Y'all have a good one. Happy hunting.
You too, buddy. We're going to try to get about, I don't know.
CQ, first on the air. Kilo, Echo 8, Radio Charlie, India. Kilo, Echo 8, say it again. Kilo, Echo 8, Radio Charlie, India.
Radio Charlie India. Hey, I got it all that time, Rod. Got me right here in Henderson, Kentucky, apart US 1260. QSL?
QSL, you're a solid 5'9" coming up here into Michigan. QSL?
QSL, buddy. First day, 73, and good luck.
73.
Kilo 2 Echo Delta Whiskey.
I guess we'll never know her call sign.
November 5, X-ray India, Oakville. What a great signal there, Anthony. This one from Oklahoma.
Got you, buddy. Thomas, 5'9" cluster, over.
Back for the 5'9" cluster, exactly 5'9", send the Yankee.
Awesome. Thanks for your work and helping. 73.
ABHAS,
Yeah, I already got him. I would agree for the most part.
Nothing heard. Dakota, this is Kilo, November 4, Golf Alpha November, calling C2Q from Park US 0663. CQ?
I got Kilo November 4.
Park to Park Station, go ahead. Copy that 5-5, Victor Echo 3, Papa Tango Alpha. Go ahead with your park.
Charlie Alpha 5646. That's again, Charlie Alpha 5646. Second park, Charlie Alpha 5646.
Well, I took it apart the other day and reflowed the solder joint. And it mechanically turns. It just
Golf Alpha November, and my park is US 0663. QSL?
But yeah, I don't know. I figured it was a solder joint because it's like a mechanical to digital encoder type thing, but it did not fully fix it. It just made it to where I can actually change bands, so that helps.
Thank you very much. I'm good one.
Thank you very much for your activation as well. 73. This is Kilo November 4, Golf Alpha November. QRZ.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. You are 5757 into my park, US 0663. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, I've got you about a 5555 out here in Alfa Romeo.
Copy that 55 into Alfa Romeo. Thank you very much for hunting me today. 73.
73.
This is Kilo November.
I gave him a by ear signal report.
Kilowatt Delta Niner, Radio Echo America.
Kilowatt Delta 9, Radio Echo America.
That's what I was thinking. I was looking in there seeing if there was like a, an old capacitor or something. But no luck there. I don't see any capacitors on that, so it must be further back.
Thank you for that 55 in Chicago.
But I tightened it way up to where it's actually very hard to turn, but it will change the frequency a lot more often now.
Alpha Hotel 2, Echo Juliet.
Alpha Station ending Echo Juliet. Let me get your
So it's usable enough, I guess.
Alpha Hotel 2, Echo Juliet. QSL.
Alpha Hotel 2, Echo Juliet. You are 5757 into my park, US 0663. QSL?
Roger that. Yeah, you're about a 5'7".
I'm not sure.
Didn't make it in.
He's from South Africa.
All right.
Oh, yeah, but we're in power, and you're good with X kid, so there you go, buddy. You say all you want, you're in power. Ain't thing one you can do about it.
7200 part 2.
What a bunch of crybabies on here. They're all uptight, Carl. They know that it's the truth, and they don't want to hear the truth. So they're sitting here crying like a bunch of crybabies.
Right. That's what I was thinking. But I wish I had it apart right now so I could show you, but it's like a mechanical spring, right, that goes back there and somehow or another connects to the actual board. There's a whole board around there with like, see, it's like 8 wires coming off of it. So that's what I was thinking, but I'll have to re-look at it again. I got it working enough, but I'll have to look at it again to see exactly where the contact between the mechanical and the digital part goes. Yeah, it's kind of cold. It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, wind chill of probably 20 degrees. No heat out here in the shack. We'll just raw dog it. I really just need to go over this whole radio because, I mean, got a scratchy volume knob there too. That could be fixed pretty easily.
Copy the 59 Arizona thing. Foxtrot 7, Foxtrot Whiskey. You are that? Foxtrot 7, Foxtrot Whiskey. You are that?
Kilo India 5, uniform, Charlie Oscar.
Kilo India 5 again?
Uniform, Charlie Oscar, uniform, Charlie Oscar.
Kilo India 5, uniform, Charlie Oscar. Get your 5656 from US 11177 northeast Utah, QSL.
QSL, I'll give you 5656 both ways out here in Alfa Romeo.
Copy the 56 in Arkansas. Thanks for the contact, 73.
73.
Foxtrot 7, Foxtrot Whiskey. Where's that?
205.
You parked on the air. You parked on the air. Foxtrot 7, Foxtrot Whiskey. Call. You parked on the air. Stand by. Kilo 5, Mike Papa Delta, X59 in the US 11177 northeast Utah.
QSL, Gary, great signal from mobile. You're 5 and 7 here. Any calls? Anything we can do for you?
But it makes noise. So I just don't run
You
it.
too, Gary, and thanks for being a long-time member of the Wild system. That's the number 0, Victor Papa.
Plus, then it just burn up all my stored solar energy. And most of the time I'm not out here, so I just kind of grin and bear it when I am.
You're 5 and 9 in Park US 015. 61 and 3791, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, Brian. Hope your trip was good this weekend. You're 5 and 9 up here in Ohio.
Roger, Roger. It was too short. We wish we would have stayed a couple more days, but it was nice and relaxing. Hey, hang on for a second for Anna.
Kilo Echo 8, Uniform Kilo.
No, I'm not connected to the electrical grid out here in the shack.
You are a 5-9 into the park today.
Roger that. Good afternoon, Anna. 5 and 9 Ohio. Hey, thank you guys for another one today. I appreciate it. That's great.
Thanks so much. 7-3.
This is Whiskey 1 Whiskey Charlie Whiskey with Mike 4 Quebec November Alpha. Yours is Kilo Echo.
That was a lot of whiskey. Whiskey what?
The Kilo Echo 8 Whiskey India.
It's
Charlie,
Parks
Roll
on the
5
air.
and 9 into North Alabama. QSL.
This is not a contest, supposedly.
Virginia, standing by.
Kilo Echo 8, Whiskey India Charlie. This is Kilo Mike 4, Quebec November Alpha, and you are a 5-9
Yeah.
into the Alabama park today.
Thank you. Kilo Mike 4, Quebec. November Alpha. You are also a 5-7 into West Virginia. Enjoy the rest of your activation in 73.
Thanks so much. 7-3.
The station ending in Sierra.
I got Whiskey 1 Whiskey. Manually logging is a lot harder than just going through on the phone, but, well, the phone's being used for this live stream, so. I did not plan on working Parks on the air, but it's about all that's going on during the day.
5 and 4. Thank you so much, Russ. You're about a 5 and 7 here, 57, and please hold. I have a second operator for you.
Whiskey 8, Romeo Uniform. Whiskey 0, Romeo Uniform Sierra. This is Kilo Mike 4, Quebec November Alpha, and you're 5-7 into the Alabama park today. We are at Park US 0161 and US 3791. Yourself?
I don't understand how they get two parks at once. I never looked into that.
We appreciate you on 7-3.
This is Whiskey 1 Whiskey Charlie Whiskey with Mike 4 Quebec November
Whiskey
Alpha.
Charlie whiskey.
Whiskey 5, Juliet Charlie.
That's a lot of whiskey.
Kilo 0, Charlie 5 and 9 into North Alabama. QSL.
QSL, you're likewise a 5-9 here on the east side of Texas.
Top of the 5-9 in East Texas. Stand by for a second operator.
Standing by.
Whiskey 5 Juliet, Charlie. This is Kilo Mike 4, Quebec November Alpha, and you are a 5-9 into the Alabama park today.
QSL 5-9 this way back to Texas.
Thanks so much for the 5-9 both ways. 7-3.
10-3, have fun.
Thank you so much. This is Whiskey 1 Whiskey Charlie Whiskey with Mike 4 Quebec November Alpha. Yours is
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo 0 Lima Tango Lima. China, you're 5 and 9. QSL.
You're 5-9 into Mike November.
A copy of the 5-9 in Mike November. Stand by for a second operator.
Standing by.
Kilo 0 Lima Tango Lima. This is Kilo Mike 4, Quebec November Alpha, and you are a 5-9 into the Alabama park today.
You are also a 5-9 into Mike November. QSL.
QSL, thanks so much for the 5-9 both ways. Have a great day. 7-3.
Thanks for activating.
This is Whiskey 1 Whiskey Charlie Whiskey with Mike 4 Quebec November Alpha. Yours is
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo 6 Romeo Oscar Delta. Rodney, you're 5 and 9.
Man, I didn't get it the second time either, man.
3791. QSL.
QSL, you are 5-9 in Wisconsin.
I copy the 5-9 in Wisconsin and stand by for a second operator.
Kilo 6 Romeo Oscar Delta. This is Kilo Mike 4, Quebec November Alpha, and you are a 5-9 into the Alabama park today.
73.
Thanks so much. 7-3.
This is Whiskey 1 Whiskey Charlie Whiskey with Mike 4 Quebec November Alpha. Yours is
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
the uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo India 5, Uniform at Charlie Oscar.
Kilo India 5 uniform Charlie Oscar. Sean, you're about a 5 and 5, 55 into North Alabama. QSL.
QSL, we'll go 5-5 both ways in Alfa Romeo.
I copy the 5-5 both ways into Alpha Romeo. Stand by for a second operator.
India 5, uniform Charlie Oscar. This is Kilo Mike 4, Quebec, November Alpha, and you are 5-5 into the Alabama market today.
Thank you so much. You're 5-5 Alfa Romeo.
Thanks for the 5-5 code. Have a great day.
7-3.
Whiskey 1, Whiskey Charlie, Whiskey 1, Quebec, November Alpha.
212. Lots of QRM. There was sometimes lighthouse contests. Yeah, lighthouse on the air. That is pretty cool. And IOTA, what is that? Islands on the air. I've got nothing against parks on the air and all that, but you got to admit that taking up the whole 20-meter band for that is kind of boring, but there's nothing else, so might as well use it for that. About the only reason that I've exceeded the band limits here, and this thing will transmit outside. Yeah, if they're not using it for anything else, then why not? Come on, encoder. You can do it. I just need you to turn. Come on, one more time. There we go. And this is a half-wave 10-meter antenna, so we'll see what happens here. Wasn't stable enough for FM a little while ago, it didn't seem, so it seems like the band is up and down, 10 meters that is.
And suspect called him down to 32 Fahrenheit reporting ice all over.
Back to you for final, BA7 Lima Delta Tango, W7AIT over.
The good old one-way skip.
Lima Uniform 5, Echo Oscar India. Fernando, te saludo. 5 para acá.
You got some compression. I might too on this microphone, the one with the buttons. I don't know how it even sounds. I've never actually used it before today. Pretty weak out here. I bet he's running a kilowatt or better. We'll keep scrolling. I'd like to try to run FM again. I have a lot of fun on 10-meter FM.
Kilo 7, Papa, Romeo, Alpha.
Yeah, the 735 can receive outside of
That's
it.
about a 2 and 1. Northern Arizona, 2 and 1.
And this one can transmit outside of the handbands too, so I have to be real careful. That's pretty weak too. I don't understand the whistling. Don't seem like a lot going on 10 meters. Since we're here already. I've never explored that option on this bad boy. Does it have a split button? Yeah, it's got a split button. Does it work? Yeah. And not even CB's got much going on. We'll give her a try. Yeah, 29,680. Is there a repeater there with no tone? Yeah, I'll get the FM once we get there. I figure I'd save our ears for a while. All right, turn this down, go to FM. And VFOB and 29,680. And oh, come on. So 100 kilocycles would be 580, I believe. All right, let's go to 580. Oh, come on, let's go. Close enough. Go to FM. And is it gonna split to the second one? Yeah. Could it be that the knob is loose? I tightened it up the other day because I don't know if you remember, but I couldn't get it to work at all. And then that's what I did is I went in there and checked the solder joints and then tightened it up. And I tightened it like really tight. So it's very hard actually. If that was me or not. Kilo India 5 uniform Charlie Oscar. Turn this compression off. 650, 690. Let's try 690 since we're close. I can hear that repeater, but I can't hit it. Yeah, 600 something. Yeah, I know they're in here. I've heard them. But I've never worked one. There's 690. Okay, the other one would be 590. It's just kind of clunky. Wonder how many people actually ran FM repeaters back in the day. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. It doesn't seem strong enough. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. There's something, but I don't think it's me keying it up. What's it? 650 maybe? Yeah, let's try that. Scroll around until I hear one, and hopefully it won't have a tone. Hey, I got that one. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Maybe I did. Maybe I just heard it. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Yeah, I got it. 100%. Now, is anybody out there? That's the better question. What am I dropping? No. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar, KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Well, now we know that at least today, right now, I can hit this repeater with some success. But nobody's there. That sounds about right. It's nice to have the squelch on, though. Oh, there's something. Maybe it dropped below the noise floor. I think it's no tone. I don't think there's any tones in this radio, so no tone on that one. If I ran tones, I'd have to use a 705 or something like that. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Yep, no tone. See, I'll show you what it says. It split. No tones. I don't even think this radio has a tone board. I think that would have had to have been an extra. But I don't even see a button for it. So I don't know how they would have turned it on and off. It may have just not even had an available tone board. Either that or it was one of those that externally mounted in the cover or something. There's something. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. And it's like a 5.7 with no preamp. Breaks the squelch. I'm getting in, I would imagine. I'm running like 100 watts. There's nobody there. There was something. Check the power output here. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Yeah, 60 watts. You got me all excited to make contacts on FM repeaters here, but seems nobody's listening. What in the world? Figured somebody'd be driving around in their car with some modified CB or a Maxon or Moxon radio, whatever those were, or modified low band equipment. Figured somebody'd be out there. I'm going to keep giving her a try because I want to make a contact on this thing now that I've gone through the trouble of figuring out how to operate the radio. Which, thank you for that, by the way. Make sure I don't have a compressor on. Make sure I sound good. Maybe I can monitor my own output here. I'd have to plug in another antenna for that. I'll just keep trying. This is Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar, KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Yeah, I've just never used them before. I've used FM Simplex a bunch. So I didn't even know how to make this radio do it. Somebody keying it up. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. I don't think this has a memory battery in it because it doesn't save anything else I put in there, so I have to change that out when I'm in there with the VFO. I must not be making it in or something, because I just heard somebody else key it up. Maybe they weren't making it in. Yeah, needs a new memory battery. I know just where it is. I saw it last time I was in there, but I didn't have a watch battery on hand. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. That's too strong for me not to be getting in. There's nobody on there. Comes in S6, yeah. S6, S7, somewhere. No preamps or anything, so it's strong. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar KI5 UCO. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. Oh, the call sign, okay. Well, I guess we'll have to wait then. Because at some point, I guess it'll ID and CW. Well, we know the mic's working. We just made the made a few contacts on POTA with the same mic, so. I want to key up and keep trying. I don't know if that thing's polite or not, but at some point it's got an ID. Kilo India 5 Uniform at Charlie Oscar. Oh, did we lose it? KI5 UCO. That's in there. Maybe I'm keying up multiples. Because that didn't have a weird old Roger tone or whatever you'd call it. But the other one did. Now, definitely not a local one. All the ones I know of are in California or some other parts of the world. I don't think there's a 10-meter repeater very close to me. Maybe there's one in Missouri with that club up in Nixon, Missouri. Yeah, for the most part, I think they're mostly out west or, well, east into Europe. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. No, didn't get it that time. Yeah, they do that. Keep from being keyed up all the time. There's one guy that sits on one of these repeaters and sits there and just yells. QRZ, QRZ, because people are keying it up all the time. I understand. But it's kind of hilarious. He'll just sit there and yell. He won't even make any contacts or anything. Scares people off. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. No, I'm not getting it now. And normally they just time out. Hello, hello. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. KI5 UCO. No, it's just gone now. That's it. That's a different repeater. That one's got a PL tone. below one. German repeater below the other one, yeah. I reckon so. I heard them pretty good for a second. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. No, whatever we were hitting out there is gone. No propagation to it. Say would try horizontal, but I'd have to tune. Just scroll over to FM Simplex. How about that? We're close. See what's out there. That knocked you out. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar, 29600. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. All right. Running 60 watts FM, that'll do it. I don't want to squelch everybody out, but I can't imagine that's easy to listen to on the phone. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. Yeah, very efficient. There's somebody way back in there. Was a repeater down here or the other day? Can't remember where though. And it didn't have a tone because I keyed it up. I guess we'll never know. You get down in the AM portion here. I don't know if they were sideband or FM or what. Yeah, it sounded like single sideband. Can't believe there's no AM down here. Now this I have to do manually. There we go. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar. KI5 UCO. Still backswinging a little bit, but on the oscilloscope it doesn't. Still swings forward on the power meters too, so I don't think I'm overdriving it. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. KI 5 UCO. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. KI 5 UCO. Kilo India 5 Uniform Charlie Oscar. Might have a little too much mic gain for AM here. WWV is strong. I've got that button selected still, actually. There we go. I'll have to switch antenna. And not knock you over, maybe.
That will never go away. Because every time someone says playoff, that's what I say. I go, playoff? Playoff? I'll tell you, what reads our sides, right? What was it? Jim Mora, is that right? Yeah.
And it's sideways.
Just yesterday on that.
Yeah, I don't know how to fix that. I keep trying to tell the orientation to be horizontal or whatever, but yeah, I'm reading your comments on the side.
Challenges him to, he always is doing commercials with LeBron James. I can't think of his name, but he is hysterical.
Not a whole lot going on. All right.
Beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful. 357 mag, 6-inch barrel, nickel plate, Smith & Wesson. My brother bought it brand new in 1972. Beautiful gun. I've got 5 rounds for it, and that's it.
It's a strong signal.
It's a 357 SIG. You don't want them. I goofed up and bought me a box. I got a 357, but that 357 SIG is a special round, and it takes a special. It's got to be a 357 SIG to shoot them.
I'm there. Well, that's good to know.
Yeah, don't buy the SIGs if you don't have a SIG. Just get your standard 357s.
Well, that's good to know.
38 special will shoot in there too, one.
Yes, sir.
I got some 38s. Yeah, I got some 38 specials. I sure do.
Oh, those shoes have gun specials in it.
What?
You can shoot 38 specials in a 357. You just can't go the other way.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I'm not target practicing. I just wanted some extra ammo, you know.
Well, there you go. You 38 for work.
Well, it looks like I've got some already. I don't know just how many of them I got, but I bet I got a box of them.
Yeah, the 7200 guys are back. Yeah. Get off of him a little ways. Start the long process of tuning up on here. This antenna don't like 40 meters. Ah! Let me knock you over again. Turn that down a little. Oh, come on. I believe in you. You can do it. See what that is. I usually tune with the Nano VNA on there. Might be a smart idea this time. Or just switch to the dipole. How close is that? That's giving me full power output. We'll call that good. Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo Echo 8, Whiskey India Charlie. All right, Kilo Echo 8, Whiskey India Charlie. This must be Joel. Joel, you're 5'9" this evening. Thank you for the 5'9". I'll go ahead and give you a 5'9" into West Virginia. Enjoy the rest of your activation. 73. Thanks for hunting. This is KE4GTQ. I'm in Tucson. I'm in Park US 0720. And also 4577 right here in upstate South Carolina. Parked on the air, Tone CQ. Kilo Echo 4 Zulu Uniform November. Okay, I had a Kilo Echo 4 Zulu Uniform November. Hey, Jim. Hello, Russell. You're 5'8" back my way. Hold for a second, operator. Okay, we will. We'll hold for the second off. Thanks very much.
Come on. We gotta be able to get better than that. My lights are going crazy. Got some RFI in here. There we go. We got her going in the right direction. Perfect.
QSL, yes sir, we got you 5757 into Mayberry, North Carolina today. Hey, thanks so much to Mayberry. I bet you it's probably my first time I've worked Mayberry. It's supposed to be Harvey. Harvey, thanks so much for stopping in. I'll make that in the log. QSL, you just jumped up to a 592. What kind of report you got from me? Yeah, you're 5'9". Good, strong, clear signal. Good signal today. QSL 73 from Andy and Barney. All right, thank you so much, and hope you have a wonderful afternoon. I'll break with Kilo Quebec 4, Yankee Quebec Alpha. And I might have heard a park to park in there. I've got you got a 5'9" is the USDA celebrate right up here in North Carolina. Okay, I got the US 485A. I did not get the call sign.
And it's definitely up and down right now.
Kilo Lima 4 Zulu, QSL. Okay, Kilo Lima 4 Zulu. I've got you logged into my two park. This must be Charles. I've got you into my two parks. US 0720 and US 4577. QSL, I've got you on both parks. Hey, thanks so much for being patient. We got you in here. 73. I'll break with Kilo Lima 4 Zulu and QRZ at Parson Holy. Okay, I know that's a big pile up. I heard Foxtrot Oscar. Whiskey 4, Foxtrot Oscar, you're 5'9" in Doopham. Hey, Whiskey 4, Foxtrot Oscar, you're also at 5'9". That's here, that's state South Carolina, about 10 miles south of the North Carolina state line. Hey, thanks so much for stopping in. Roger, Roger. Have fun, man. And you are this. Kilo Charlie 4, two stations in there. One station started with Kilo Juliet. Was that a Kilo Juliet station? Kilo Charlie. Okay,
Kilo Charlie.
Kilo Charlie 4, Zulu Uniform Alpha. There you are, Kilo Charlie 4, Zulu Uniform Alpha. I tell you, everything's doing good for you. You're 5'9" today. USL Russell, you are 5'9" plus Georgia, 5'9" plus GA. Thank you for another activation. Hey, thanks so much for hunting today, and hope you have a great afternoon. Those are the stations starting with Kilo. Kilo 4, Sierra Delta, over. Yes, sir, Kilo 4, Sierra Yankee Delta, both 5'9" today. Roger, and you're a big 5'9". Very good signal into Georgia, Golf Alpha. 73, and thanks for picking up my call. Hey, thanks for being patient, hanging in there. And hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll break with you, and I believe there's a station, Kilo Delta. Kilo Delta 9, Romeo Papa Echo. Kilo Delta 9, Romeo Papa Echo. Gary, you're 5'8" at this part. Roger, head you to 5'6", India, Roger. Hey, QSL on Wisconsin, and hope you're having a wonderful day, and appreciate you being patient there during the power of all 40 meters. 73, my friend. 73. Okay, this is KE4. Kilo Quebec 4, Lima Bravo Mike. And also 4577, calling to Kilo Quebec 4.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
United Mike. Okay, I got 3 stations in that time. There's an Alpha Charlie station. Kilo Bravo 4, Kilo Alpha Charlie QSL. Okay, Kilo Bravo 4, Kilo Alpha Charlie. Kevin, you're 5'9". thanks so much for Small Raleigh, and hope you have a great day. All the signals coming in are pretty much 5859. That's how it's why it's so hard for me to pick out somebody. We got another station in there, I believe it's Whiskey 2 or Whiskey 0. Whiskey 2, 1-2, Whiskey 2 United Mike. Great signal up here, 58 to 59 into central New Jersey. Name is Jim. Hey Jim, we got you in the log. You're about 5'8" up here in the park. Whiskey 2 Uniform Mike. We got you in the log, and hope you have a wonderful afternoon. I'm sure, and hope you are too. Thanks for that activation. Have a great rest of the day. 73. Hey, 73. I'll break with Whiskey 2 Uniform Mike in the Kilo Delta 2 station, I believe. Okay, Kilo Delta 2. Calling you Romeo Lima. I've got you 5'9" in the park today. Good signal.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo Quebec 4, Lima Bravo Mike.
I don't think I'm going to get him unless I sit out here for a while.
November 2, Charlie Foxtrot. You're 59 in the state of Maryland. Hey, you're 5'9" here in upstate South Carolina. And thanks so much for being patient. I got you in the law. You as well, thank you. Okay, that was, I think, Whiskey Station.
Whiskey.
Whiskey Alpha. Okay, that was it. There's a 3 in there. November 3, Whiskey Alpha.
I don't think the band is quite strong enough for all this yet. Not with this antenna. Especially because it's directional away from it.
Kilo Quebec 4, Lima Bravo Mike. Okay, and you're the one that I heard. Kilo Quebec 4, Lima Bravo Mike, James, over in Tennessee. James, you 5'9". Roger, 5'9" both ways. Thanks for being up at Kings Mountain. Have a good one, 7-3. Always looking for fire things before I activate, and there was nobody spotted on 40 meters, and I'm thinking, wow, but anyway, I always give it a try, and I think sometimes it's just people aren't trying to find the band. Everybody runs 20 meters, but hey, I enjoy 40 meters. It's a fun band. Okay, this is Kilo India 4, Yankee, Zulu, November 4.
At least we got the rest of his call sign that time.
Okay, I think I got 4, maybe 5 seconds there. Kilo Oscar station. Kilo Oscar 4, Zulu Whiskey Delta. Oscar 4, Zulu Whiskey Delta. Marvin down in Georgia, 459. QSL, I have you 5'9", Bell, Georgia. QSL, I hope you have a good afternoon, 73. Yeah, November 1, Mike Coco, Mr. Russell. November 1, Mike, Hotel Victor.
Just see his strength on the other radio with the other antenna.
Must be in our favor today. Thanks so much for dropping by. I got you in the law. Right, 73 rest of a great deal park in whatever it is. I'll break with him. Was it a Kilo Tango or Kilo Tango in the call? Kilo Echo 2 Echo Tango. That's it. Kilo Echo 2 Echo Tango.
Yeah, he's not any stronger on the dipole either.
Yes, sir. 5 and 5, Murphy, North Carolina, in Smoky. Yep, up there in God's country. That's a nice part to be in, that's for sure. A good area, good area. Yes, sir, we love it. 73. Did I hear another call? Let's see. I can't even read my own writing. I tried to write so fast. But that's all I can pick out of that here. What's it on again? Whiskey 4, X8.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Charlie Oscar.
Kilo India 4, Yankees, November. Kilo 8, off Quebec. stations that time, and if I missed you, I'll go ahead and apologize. First station I heard was Whiskey 4.
Whiskey 4, XA, Tango, Tango.
8 rhymes and power.
Okay, let me make sure I got the call right. There must have been 2 Whiskey 4s in there. Yankee. Yes, sir. Whiskey 4, Yankee, Tango, November. You were 5-9. QSL on Victor Alpha. This must be Bob. You're 5-9 here to the park today. Hey, thanks for hunting and thanks for being patient. Leave me free. Okay, next on the list was Whiskey Romeo Hotel. QSL, George, and hey, you're 5-9 also. Yeah, just amazing what you can do now. On the air, it's no portable and just having fun outside. That's something good for us ham. And thanks so much for being patient. Hope you have a wonderful day. 73. I'll break the game. India 4, Yankees. Good afternoon to you, Russell. You're 5-9, Tennessee, Tango, November. Okay, and make sure I got the call right. No, I didn't even put it in there right. Hang on. Kilo India 4, Yankee, Zulu, November. Into the park. And this must be Bill. And we got the 5-9, my friend.
Alright.
QSL 5-9, boys, 7-3. Thanks for knowing.
I believe dinner's ready, so I'm going to have to end the stream here. Thanks for stopping by again and hanging out with me. Might get on here a little later. Maybe not. I don't know. So we'll catch you later. Thanks for coming in. Gotta drink me some more coffee. Yeah, I'll upload it. It'll take a while, but I'll upload it. Catch you on the next one, hopefully. Oh, come on. There it goes.
Picture there where I'm at. Hey, thanks so much for stopping in, and hope you have a wonderful